Everyone, welcome back. Do you have a long, boring, cluttery post or page in a website that you want to organize? Then this video is for you. Today we'll see how we can organize a long post or page in a way that we don't need scroll anymore. We'll do it with a blog called Tapped Content Blog provided by Ultimate Blogs. So first, let's go to install Ultimate Blogs and then see how it works. So let's jump into WordPress dashboard and go to plugin. From here, go to add new plugin. And from here, search Ultimate Blogs. See, here's the Ultimate Blogs plugin. From here, you can install it and then activate it from here. I have already installed it, so I don't need it to install again. Now let's get into a post. First of all, we'll see a cluttered one, and then we'll see how we can organize it with Tapped Content Blog. So just go to post. Here, I have created the post earlier. So see, here's a post with lots of text and things. So now let's see how I have organized this whole post with Tapped Content Blog. Here it is. Yeah, this is it. So see here, this Tapped Content Blog accommodate the whole cluttery post in its tabs. So see features and then use cases and then FAQs. Everything is on a blog and with no scroll. So let's quickly see how we can create it from scratch. I won't take much of your time. I'll just show you the basic, and the rest of the thing, I think you can do it as you want because most of the things are self-explanatory. So let's get started. First of all, type slash or click on plus. I'm clicking plus here and I'm searching for Tapped Content Blog. So here's the Tapped Content Blog. Click on it and then you'd get a tab block. So here you can rename like example. Okay, see, by clicking right you can add tabs, tab 2, tab 3. You can also rename them, and this boxed input field, this is your input field, and here you can add any kind of block as native. So this is the very basic of the Tapped Content Blog and very easy. And let's see the other customizations in our created Tapped Content Blog. So see here it is in the middle. So how I did it, let's see here. You can change the tab alignment, like it is now centered. You can set it left, you can set it right. Yeah. And see here I have changed the color of the block and the text. So this is it. Go to styles tab from right hand side options panel, and active tab color. I have changed the active tab color. So see this, it is changing, and I've also changed the tab active tab title color. So I set it white, so that's why it is white. And see, I have created a nice rounded border. So let's see how I have set it. Here it is. Tabs button border radius, you can change it. See, you can change it as, you can change it to pills. You can change also the tab content radius, like this nice little border radius. So yeah, you can change it or you can make it 20. Other than this, there are lots of customization like tab layout. You can change the tab layout. Now it is in the top position. You can change it to the side position. So here. So yeah, that's all for today. There are lots of other customizations in this particular Tapped Content Blog. So you can explore it as your own. If you're using this blog, I think you definitely love it. So that's all for today. If you think this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.